Alright, so I'm going to pick up right where I left off. Had to delete some older videos. Here we are. So again, what's the problem going to look like? We have, here's the original function, which again may be different for you, but for now we're sticking with the same exact example. And we're going to calculate the difference quotient, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay? So what does that look like? Well, f of x plus h means take x plus h, plug it into the function here, and figure it out. So we'll do x plus h squared, because the rule says we first plug in our value, square it, we subtract 9, plug in our value, and we get minus 9 times x plus h. So now what's this mean? Minus f of x. So now we're going to subtract whatever f of x equals, which in this case is x squared minus 9x. Notice I put parentheses around the second half here because it's very easy to make a mistake for getting a negative sign somewhere, so always put parentheses around this guy here. That way you never make a mistake. And then this is over h. So if we go ahead and figure this out, x plus h squared, if you don't see where this is coming from, write it out twice and double distribute or FOIL, right? X plus h squared means x plus h times x plus h. This is what you get. Distribute the 9, you get negative 9x minus 9h. Distribute the negative, you get minus x squared plus 9x. Divide all of that by h, and you're going to see a lot of stuff die. That's good. With difference quotients, we want things to die. Why? Because it cleans it up. Okay, so difference quotients, whether it's this kind or the other one, which was f of x minus f of a over x minus a, if things aren't canceling or simplifying nicely, you're probably making a mistake somewhere. Okay, so now if you look at what we have, positive 9x, negative 9x, gone, right? Negative x squared, positive x squared, gone. What's left? 2xh, h squared, and negative 9h, all divided by h. So what can I do? Well, I know that the numerator, every term has an h, so I'll factor it out, and I get 2x plus h minus 9. So if I take h out of this, h out of that term, and h out of this term, here's what I have left. And that's all over h, and oh look, h's cancel. So your final answer, if f of x equals this function, okay, and you're wanting to evaluate this difference quotient, would be 2x plus h minus 9. Okay, so hopefully this will help you. Group presentations were pretty good. I know some of you were wondering if I could kind of go through some things and help you guys out. So hopefully going through those examples and reviewing all that stuff will help you guys for the quiz. All right.